Hi everyone, welcome all of you. Today I will going to demonstrate the useful tools in case converter and text counter. I have an input file with me. Load it. To use useful tool case converter, you can convert various kind of cases: uppercase, lowercase, proper case, camel case, title case, sentence case, reverse case, inverse case, as you want. So I am going to convert in uppercase. Load the output directory, override the files. My output directory is empty. Simply start the process. We have 3 files converted in uppercase. You can check the result. All the name as uppercase. Same took another demo of lowercase. All converted into a lowercase. Let's move to the another example of useful tool, text counter. So I just remove the files, load a sample data, and I just want to count the central word. It's a match case or whole word only, or you can count line numbers. Or you can skip the line numbers as required. Simply start the process. Central words are in 24 times in file 1. You can choose any other. Is and name. I'm choosing this. This name occur 5 times. Hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.